Nothing will ruin your day faster than cracking a nail, but we have the solution for you. YN Nail Rescue Patches will save your day. This beautiful little package is so light, so small, so convenient to throw into your suitcase, but it has 30 individual patches to save your day. First thing we want to do before we pull out the patches is we want to make sure that we're working on a nice clean nail. Just use a little polish remover on a nail wipe and scrub it clean. Next, we're going to go ahead and take one of the nail patches, pull it off the film, and place it over that crack. Don't worry if it overlaps over the natural nail or on the sides. Then you want to go ahead and rub that patch in really nice, pushing the bubbles out and also pushing it into that natural nail so that mend is nice and secure. Once you've pushed it down, we're going to go ahead and take our glass file or any file that you have, and we're going to remove any excess that's overhanging. And boom, that patch is holding that cracked nail nicely, so we no longer have that bend or flimsiness right at the cracked part. After we file the excess off, we can base, we can polish. I want you to at least top coat to seal it in. But boom, the day has been saved. No more cracked nails that are gonna sit there and pull at your hair all day long.